Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a new privacy feature from Apple, the Apple Intelligence Report. If you are curious about how Apple Intelligence is working on your device, this report offers insights into requests your device sends to Apple's private cloud compute. We will go through how to generate the report on your iPhone, iPad or Mac with the latest updates. That's it, let's get started. So first off, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone, iPad or Mac. And then you have to scroll down to find and click on the Privacy and Security option. This is where Apple has consolidated all the privacy controls. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Apple Intelligence Report. You will now see a few options. You can choose to view activity from the last 15 minutes, the last 5 days, or turn off reporting entirely. Now pick the duration you want to see activity for. After selecting the duration, you have to click on Export Activity to generate your report. The report file can be saved or opened in any text editor or reader app on your iDevice. It's that simple, and that's about it. It's worth pointing out that when you make a request on your iPhone, iPad or Mac, Apple Intelligence first checks if it can be processed directly on your iDevice. If not, it reaches out to private cloud compute for help. But here is the best part. Apple processes only the data needed for your request. After that, it is removed and not stored, so your privacy is protected at all hazards. And there you have it. Generating an Apple Intelligence report is a pretty simple way to see what's happening behind the scenes on your Apple device. Now let me know if you find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on Apple features and device privacy. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you up in the next video. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.